Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Some of y'all probably like. Today I will be making a ham. So this is the ham. He got already came cut at Walmart. I took out the package, some juice I'm gonna put in there. I know some of y'all like, okay, I've never seen a recipe where they put juice. Well, you see it today? I got some toothpicks, some allspice, brown sugar. If you have dark or light, it don't matter. I have some apricots I'm gonna put. I seen pineapple preserves. And like to get the second one, so when I moved it, I ended up getting this one because it wasn't in the right. I'm just gonna use this okay. And I have 2 pineapples, 1 crushed and 1 sliced. So yeah, that's about it, y'all. We're gonna get started. I'm gonna turn the ham over. I've been seeing some hams, they have like that little thing you can pour out. They might not have it here. Well, if they don't, thank God. I'm gonna take the brown sugar and rub it on here. I know some people use like binders. Maybe I won't need that. We'll see. I'm just gonna take it and try to put it all over. It's okay if it gets inside. More sugar, the better. And it's good if it get under the skin too, because you want to do the skin as well. So right in here, we have like 5 tablespoons of the apricots. And then also my cousin's going to put crushed pineapples, the juice and all of it. We're going to pour it inside. Okay, I like how this ham is. It got holes, all like deep holes too. So you know what I did? I put some of the brown sugar also in the crevices. Now some of it did fall off, but it's okay because it's going to have enough sweets on it. Now I'm going to take my allspice and just shake it on here as well. Oh, like a tablespoon should be good. Alright, so this is how it looks inside. It's kind of chunky and thick, but it's okay. What we're going to do is brush it on there. I'm try to take this and like brush it, see, and like lift these up. I'm trying to turn it this way so it can be easier to see. Ooh, you see how I'm brushing it under? Yes. You want to try to get it and then lift this up too a little bit. I'm going to put it under here too. Okay, it was about done. So what I did was add some more sugar in here, and I just mix it around. We're gonna add some more to the ham. So I want this honeyed up. Trying to get in between the crevices too. You don't gotta do it all unless you're a perfectionist. I'm not doing all that. Okay, we put sugar in it, we rolled it all together. However, like I said, I don't like a ham that's so salty still. So maybe I might be overdoing, who knows. But I've added some more brown sugar and more apricots and also the juice of the pineapple rings. So I'm just going to do it again and I'm just going to brush it. Done with that, we're going to take the pineapples and put it on side of the ham. I don't know, I don't keep saying I'm going to say turkey. Okay, so I have the pineapple and I have the toothpicks. And you just poke it.
I think not.
2.
I think not.
Alright, we're going to put aside. If you don't, go all in, that's good. It don't matter. And then at the bottom. My cousin's going to do the rest. Yeah, she put all the pineapples that could fit. She have 2 more. She's just going to put that inside of there with the juice. And then I'll show you the next step.
I think we're doing a good job with this ham.
I already have enough juice in there, but I'm going to add in the Hawaiian punch. Now, I know some people probably like, what's she going to do with that? She going to drink it? No, put that in my food, silly. Fruit punch just around, make sure it's not on ham. Now usually we cover it up with aluminum foil. However, we have a lid that's big enough. However, if you don't have a big lid, you can cover this up with aluminum foil. So we have the oven on 350, the bottom of the oven. And I think every like 30 minutes we're gonna take it out and baste it. So she got the next step.
A few moments.
Now she's gonna take some of the juice down and pour it on the ham. At least about 10 times. I know some people got like a syringe or something. I don't have all that. I'm using what I got. So we're going to put the top back on there and like another 30 minutes we're going to check it again and baste it. So we on basted everything 3 times. This is going to be the 4th time. So we had it for about, what, 2 hours in there?
Yes.
It would seem like it's been 2 hours.
We've been doing so much.
I know. So the next 30 minutes, what I'm going to do is take some of this juice and put it in like a bowl with a little bit of cornstarch and put it on the stove to like thicken up, and I'm gonna pour it back into this pot to make it like gravy, and then that way I can baste it like that. Yes, y'all. It smells good though. It smells good in here. It smells good.
It smells like Kool-Aid ham.
Anyway, it pretty much is. So yeah, shoot some bases and then I'll let you next step. Okay, it's been like another 30 minutes, about 2.5 hours. So I told my cousin to baste it again. So I told her to get the juice, most of the juice out, and we're gonna put it inside a pan. And she took most of the juice out of it, if you can see it clearly. And it's inside of here. We made a cornstarch slurry. Just put water and cornstarch in it, and we're just gonna pour it in there and whisk it. That way, it can avoid the clumps and different things. Yeah, it's still not as thick as I like it, so I put another cornstarch slurry. I'm gonna pour it in there. Like I said, I want to get it a little thick, and it's about to reach that mark too of turning it off. So I'm gonna make it look thick before I, do all that. Oh, it's a little thicker, but not as much. Okay, so now it got a little thicker, not as much thicker. So we're gonna pull this aside. All right, so we're gonna take this and baste it one more time. But this is with the thickness. See how thick? Yes. Look better, a little thicker, like more syrupy, don't it? It does. Mm-hmm. I know. All right, my cousin's gonna take the whole thing and just pour it on there because it's easier. Yes. Alright, so we're gonna put the top on there and let it cook just one more time for about 10 minutes. Additional 5 minutes, and I turned it up to 400. So yeah, that's about it. I'm just gonna baste it one more time. I got the stove turned on. I'm gonna turn the stove off. This smells so good in here. It's still a lot of liquid, but it's cool. Alright, so this is about it, y'all. I'm gonna take this out and just sit this up here. And then we're gonna cut into it. We're about to be going to this ham. When I tell you, it smells so good. You know, I like sweet and salty. So I tasted that juice. Sweet and salty, definitely. So yeah, me and my kids. All right, so yeah, we're gonna taste it and get y'all taste y'all's first. Get yours first, Yana. How you like it, T?
Don't taste that bad.
Y'all taste bad? Okay, what it tastes like?
Regular ham.
Okay, so do you like it? What would you rate it?
An 8.5.
Okay, good job. And see, I know he kept saying, "Oh, I ain't gonna eat it. I ain't gonna eat it." All right, go ahead.
Tastes like regular ham.
Okay, do it like taste sweet or it taste salty? What it tastes like?
Nothing.
It tastes like nothing.
Just regular ham.
Okay, what would you rate it?
7.
A 7? Okay. Okay, what, you tasted yours already? What you like?
It tastes like it's very sweet.
Oh, very sweet?
Not overly sweet. I'm like, it's sweet than the normal type of ham.
Okay, but do you taste the salt factor in it too? A little bit?
A little bit.
Okay, so what would you rate? Is it too sweet for your liking though?
No, I like it. I give it like a 9.
Oh wow, okay. Alright, so I'm gonna taste it too.
That's it.
Okay. I got more apricots on mine, so yeah. This is good though. I do taste the sweetness and saltiness from it. Sweet and salty, it's good. And it's tender.
What you rate it? What you rate it?
Hold on. Hold on. It's good though. It's tender, but you still, even though it's sweet, you still taste that saltiness from it. I'm gonna eat it with the
Pineapple.
yeah. Yeah, this is good though. I really like a jam. It's tender. It's just the pineapple,
That's
sweetness from the pineapples and the brown sugar. But you also taste saltiness. But yes, I'll give it a 10. So 10, you 9, 8, 7. Oh, 8.5, okay. And then 7. So you can use this ham a multiple way kind of. Some people might get tired of it. We're gonna make like a breakfast grilled cheese. We'll put ham, bacon. Oh, it sounds good with bacon. But no, it's already pork. We're gonna put ham Stay focused. Okay, we're gonna put ham, eggs, cheese, and grill it.
And the bacon?
I would, but ham is already pork, so I'm gonna do it. We're gonna make an omelet. We do it different ways. So yeah, it's good, y'all. Unless you like, share.
Subscribe to the channel and comment.
Yeah.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
We'll see you
Later.
We'll see you later. Oh, God.
A few moments later.
I rated it 8.9
So you changed it.
because I tasted
So why you changed it to 8.9?
the ham tastes a little better.
The reason why she said it because she was like, it tastes better than the bread. I'm like, the bread don't go with the ham. Go with the ham? Okay, you can do
Can I
it.
have a piece of ham?
You want more ham? Oh, you like the ham. You want more from mine? Okay. Well, she like the ham.
Can I get more?
Yeah.